had some 5 mental breakdowns, but I'm still here and so are you. I loved going down into the audience in the monsoon bit just to see who we got in the audience, you know that bit? It's what I call my let's all get COVID together moment. Yeah, I mean I've touched a lot of people tonight already and some of you from Glasgow, so I'm fucked. None of that, well that fucking none of that. I shouldn't really share this with you, but I just saw one fan I slept with in the 90s over there. Oh yeah. And as you know, I'm not the fittest fans, and let me tell you, this beauty was no exception. I almost didn't recognize him because he's got a beard now. But I know those eyes anywhere. Good to see you again, Jeff. And just remember, whatever happens, we'll always have the Travel Tavern at Milton Keynes. Tonight is my love letter to... Fucking hell, where have you been? You're tan. Is that a real tan or is that a spray? Oh, it's a spray. Can he smile? Can he just smile as well? Just smile? Go on. Is it because your tan matches your teeth? Alright, okay, we'll leave it at that. I'll tell you what though, you look fucking beautiful. What's your name? Kevin? Kevin with the tan, everybody, look at that. Look at those fucking eyebrows too, oh my god. Have you had the micro thing? Do you do eyebrows? Can you do that for me later on at the hotel? Tonight is my love letter to entertainment, guys. What is entertainment? What is it? Is it something that I do? Who is the DJ entertainment? K-Master entertainment. All I know is that if I do this, if I go like this, hidey, 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 hidey. Hody, 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 ho. Find that. What just happened there? Now, you see, that's entertainment. If only we could bottle it and get scientists to examine it to find out what that is. I also know that if I... So let me just see this. Why the fuck would I want that? Is that yours, mate? Oh, you can have it back. I'm good for t-shirts, mate, thank you. All I know is if I go na 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 na, come on, Carl, na na na. Yeah. What was that? Yeah, I have lost a bit. Thank you for noticing. Yeah. Biceps and triceps, I know, yeah. They're fucking amazing, aren't they? Once again, that's entertainment. That is entertainment right there. But if I do this, would you recognize this? Ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Can you imagine if en masse you'd have just gone, oh, fuck off, you're English twat. They say entertainment is making people feel something. And I think that's true. But I'll be honest with you, some nights I come out here and I wonder if I've still got it. Are my best days behind me? Am I still just the fat dancer from Take That? Boo! Thanks. Then I look at you, the audience, and I remember why I do this. It's not for the glory, it's not for the money, it's because I've got 4 kids and I just want to get out of the fucking house. The little tick-tocking twats. The fuck is this? What the fuck is happening? The world's gone mad. At least when I did it, I got paid for it and Take That. Sorry, Teddy. Well, we're on a journey tonight to figure out the meaning of entertainment, and I think it could be summed up with just one question.